Hi everyone, it is Master Trainer and Super Coach Jennifer Nicole Lee, and this is just a small fraction of the online coaching materials that I write and that I create just exclusively for my VIP clients worldwide. Now, why do I hold and host weekly online group coaching? Well, number one, coaching, motivation, inspiration, it's like bathing. You have to do it daily for it to stick and for it to work. So we do live workouts, and then one time a week we all get together for an hour and I answer questions. I have exclusive material that I write and I create along with the theme of the month, and this theme is believe for December. And we're going to close down not only this year, but this decade on such a strong note. And I'm so grateful that I have a front row seat to see all the magic and miracles happening in my exclusive VIPs' lives. I mean, I'm talking projects, book launches, events, bikini competitions, traveling, getting bonuses, creating your own, jobs. I mean, I'm seeing so many miracles happen in my VIP lives that I just love what we're doing here. So if you're not a member, you're really missing out. I'm going live in about 8 minutes in the private Facebook group, and I have some members here. Hello, Brooke. She's one of our best-selling novelists, and she's working on a work right now, and it's just so rewarding to live that VIP lifestyle. So if you're not a member, you're really missing out. Go to jnlvip.com, and if I feel like you're a good fit for our already successful online community, I'll bring you on. Okay, I'm looking for team players, people that are ready, willing, and able to take their lives to the next level. Okay, so I'll see my members in 7 minutes in the private Facebook group. And if you're not a member, join today at jnlvip.com. I believe in you. Bye, guys.